Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by ensuring you're signed into a Microsoft account and your OS is supported. This gives OneDrive permissions to manage files. Once signed in, open the OneDrive app or run the installer you downloaded and follow the first prompts. Choose where the OneDrive folder lives on your laptop. This matters for disk space and backups. Then click Next to start the initial sync. Make sure to allow any firewall prompts so upload, and download can proceed without interruption. Once the app is running, open Settings to fine-tune what actually syncs to your machine. Selective Sync lets you choose folders that stay local. Other folders can be cloud only to save space. Enabling Files on Demand shows placeholders instantly, so you see everything without fully downloading files. While here, set upload and download limits if you need to protect bandwidth, and enable auto-save for desktop, documents, and pictures if you want continuous backup. These choices control performance and storage usage. Finish by confirming the sync status. Click the OneDrive icon and make sure green checks appear on files you expect to be available. Once done, open OneDrive. To verify files and folders match your laptop. This confirms successful upload. Make OneDrive start at login so backups run automatically, and test creating a small file to watch it propagate. If something goes wrong, try pausing and resuming sync, or unlink and relink the account. This often resets stuck uploads and resolves common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.